again to Everyday Cooking in Bhavana's Kitchen and Living. In today's episode, I'm going to actually share my batch cooking and I'm making black beans, quinoa, brown rice burger. And yes, it is in a big batch, so you can prepare for almost a month or 2 months and then just serve as needed. So let's get started. Here I have lined up all the ingredients to prepare black bean burgers. Take a cup of brown rice, wash really well. Into the pressure cooker pot, add rice, 2 cups of water, salt to taste. Cover the cooker and cook rice till soft. I hear about 3 to 4 whistles. When done, turn off the stove and allow cooker to cool naturally. Open carefully. Mash the rice and keep aside. Into the same cooker, I boiled black beans. Mash and keep aside. Earlier, I shared few of my big batch cooking videos and many of you have been asking that whenever I do any big batch cooking, I should share with you also. Here today I am making burgers in a big batch. Alright, so I'm going to start with onion. Chop all the vegetables as much fine as you can. You can use food processor here, which is what I am going to do because I have already washed everything. So chop roughly and keep that on the side. Mushroom, I'm just going to remove the stem and I'm going to keep the half of the stem that's inside the mushroom. It has a lot of flavor, so do not remove the whole stem from inside the mushroom. Alright, let's put all this on a side. And here I have my mini food processor. I'm going to first start with onion. Alright, so onion is ready. Next goes in mushrooms. Alright, so mushroom is ready. So as you can see, this is how I want everything, very fine. Into the big pot, heat up oil. Add garlic paste and fry slightly. Add onion and cook till translucent. Salt to taste. Cover to cook faster. Let's check. Ready to add mushrooms. Cover and cook couple of minutes. Let's check again. This time ready to add quinoa. If you think you need water to cook quinoa, add a little bit of water. As you can see, it started sticking, so feel free to add water if needed. Cover and let everything cook for about 5 minutes. I do not cook quinoa all the way. I like them crunchy in my black bean burgers. Let's open and see. Add corn. I am using frozen thawed corn here, but you can use fresh. At the same time, add spices like black pepper, ground cumin, red chili pepper flakes, and if you can find chipotle pepper paste, add at this time. I really love the flavor of chipotle paste, so I add about 2 tablespoons, but add as per your preference. I buy this paste from Walmart. Next, add cooked mashed rice, cooked mashed black beans, and now mix everything together really well. And our mixture is ready for the patties. Now let the mixture cool slightly. In meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a few things. Here I have the baking tray with a parchment paper on it, and I'm going to use ice cream scoop so that I can make equal size of burger. You can use even measuring cup depending on the size, like a quarter size or the half cup size, so you can go ahead and use that, but I kind of like to use ice cream scoop. So if I want just like a 1/3 cup of a mixture, then I just use the big ice cream scoop, and for a tablespoon here I have the small one as well, or I can just combine to prepare a little bigger burger. So it's totally up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and start scooping out the mixture into the baking tray. So I'm going to fill this mixture tightly as much as I can, and then scoop it out. Next, take a little bit of a coconut oil or your favorite oil into your palm and shape the burgers. Now I normally do not like to press them too much. I just press them lightly and then shape them like so. And then here I have another tray ready. I'm just going to go ahead and put it inside the tray. Once all the burgers are shaped like this, they can be baked into the oven. Basically, you can just cook however you want. I personally prefer to cook them in a skillet. You can throw them on a grill even. Now they're a bit of a delicate compared to meat burgers, so I really don't recommend even to throw them on a grill. But if you want to try out, it's they are not that delicate because of the rice. It holds the binding really well. So as I said, you can just bake them all together into the oven, or you can just shallow fry, deep fry, however you like. I'm going to shallow fry them into the skillet. Heat up the pan, add oil and start arranging the patties into the single layer and roast until lightly brown on both sides. When done, remove them from the pan and bring onto the tray or start serving burgers immediately, or you can refrigerate for up to a week or freeze for up to a couple of months and enjoy anytime you want. Now when it comes to assembling burger, you know what to do, but I'm going to show you my way of doing it. Here I have mustard. You can use any of your favorite kind, a little bit on the other side as well. Burger on top if desired, cheese, and if you like to melt cheese you can do so, and then top it up with some vegetables. Mayonnaise, if you can find vegan mayonnaise you can use vegan mayonnaise. Jalapenos. The toppings could be your favorite. Onion. And instead of lettuce, I like to use some spinach. Always, most of the time. But you can use your favorite lettuce here. Next, jazz it up with some pickles. Here I have pickled cucumber, some pickled peppers. This one is fully loaded burger, and then ready to pop the other bun on the top of it, and we have burger ready. Serve with some chips on the side and some more pickled pepper. Alright, so here I have all my burgers ready to serve. Look at all these yummy burgers and I'm ready to bite into it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of a big batch of black bean burger. Here I have all the burgers as you can see. Please do like and comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.